Hey, Jasmine, it's been ages since we last met. How have you been?
Hey Alex, I know, right? I've been doing well, just caught up with work and life. How about you?
Pretty much the same. Work has been keeping me busy, but I'm trying to balance it with some fun.
That's important. Speaking of fun, have you done anything exciting lately?
Actually, yes, I just got back from a short weekend trip to the mountains. It was so refreshing.
That sounds amazing. Did you go hiking?
Yeah, I did. The view from the top was breathtaking. I also got to try some local food, which was delicious.
That sounds perfect. I love mountain trips. I've been thinking about traveling too.
Oh, really? Where do you want to go?
I'm considering a trip to Europe, maybe France or Italy. I've always wanted to see Paris and Rome.
That's a great choice. The food, the culture, the history, it's all amazing. Do you have a plan yet?
Not yet, but I'm doing some research. Have you ever been to Europe?
Yeah, I went to Spain a few years ago. Barcelona was incredible. The architecture and the vibe were just unforgettable.
That sounds amazing. Maybe I should add Spain to my list too.
You totally should. So, how's work going? Are you still at the same company?
Yeah, I am, but I've been thinking about switching jobs. I want to try something new, maybe something more creative.
That makes sense. What kind of job are you looking for?
Maybe something related to design or marketing. I've always been interested in branding and social media.
That's a great field. Have you taken any courses or worked on any projects?
I actually started an online course on digital marketing. It's been really interesting so far.
That's awesome. Learning new skills is always a good idea. If you need help with anything, let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate that. So, what about you? Any career changes or big plans?
Not a career change, but I've been thinking about starting my own small business.
Oh wow, that's exciting. What kind of business?
Something related to food. Maybe a small cafe or a bakery. I love cooking, so why not turn it into something bigger?
That's a fantastic idea. You should definitely go for it. Have you started planning?
A little bit. I'm still researching locations and figuring out the costs.
If you ever need a taste tester, I'm available.
Haha, I'll keep that in mind.
So, aside from work and travel, have you picked up any new hobbies?
Yeah, I started learning how to play the guitar. It's been challenging, but I love it.
That's so cool. Can you play any songs yet?
Just a few basic ones, but I'm getting better. What about you? Any new hobbies?
I've been into photography lately. I love capturing street scenes and landscapes.
That's amazing. Do you share your photos anywhere?
Yeah, I post them on Instagram. It's fun to see how people react to them.
That's great. Maybe you can take some photos for my future cafe.
I'd love to. Let's make it happen.
Sounds like a plan. Anyway, we should catch up like this more often.
Definitely. Let's not wait too long next time.
Agreed. Now, let's grab our coffee before it gets cold. Good idea.